Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I got this really simple makeup look, and I'm also going to give details on my giveaway for getting 5,000 subscribers at the end of this video, so make sure you watch until the end so you can get entered into that giveaway. Enjoy the video. Alright you guys, so this is my finished look. I'm just about to go to church and do some errands after that. But now I wanted to get into the giveaway. So there are two prizes that I'm gonna give away. So the first one is my favorite hair product, Kinky Curly Curling Custard, and the Kinky Curly Not Today Leave-In and Detangler. Now, I've never used this before, but I figured it'd just be a good, cause you'll wanna use like a moisturizer or a leave-in before you put this gel in. So I thought, you know, why not get the one that goes with the gel? So this is my favorite gel, you guys, for my wash and goes. I don't know of anything better than this. It's like butter when you're putting it in your hair. It's amazing. So this is something that I'm excited to give away. So anyone who has natural hair, kinky or curly, this is a prize. And then for my second prize, it is this Juvia's Place palette called the Nubian. Yeah, it's wrapped in plastic, so I'm just gonna leave it in there, and then I will, oh wait, actually it's in the foam thing. So I'm gonna show you guys the colors real quick. Woo! Okay, so it has plastic on it. I'm not touching the shadows, but this is the palette. So pretty. Very nice neutral tones. It has mattes and shimmery colors. So yes, you get this really nice Juvia's Place eyeshadow palette. and also this NYX Butter Gloss in Madeleine. One of my favorites. Is great for all skin tones. So those are the two prizes, and there are going to be two winners, and I'm gonna make it very simple and easy to enter. All you have to do is give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below, and in that comment you can comment whatever you want, but make sure you specify which prize you want the most. Maybe I'll leave the contest open for like 2 or 3 weeks. I'll specify in the description box below, so check that for the end of the giveaway date, and then I will come back and of course announce who the winners are. So yes, I hope you guys are excited about the prizes. I am. I'm really excited to be able to send these to you guys. Leave a comment down below, give a thumbs up, and specify which prize you want the most. That will get you entered into this giveaway. Other than that, as always, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more, and I will see you all next time. Bye.